2011 BMW 535i 3.0 Turbo. Got stock converter right there, another one way up in there. And then we did a resonator delete right here. And we did a rear muffler delete in the back in two 3.5-inch blue flame tips. There will be a link in the description for those tips if you guys want them. And as always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe if you like what we do. We always appreciate it. Thank you very much. Dang, got that marble. Sound decibels? Right at 100. Alright, go and back it up. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Wow, sounds really good, clean.